Guys, here are some ideas related to handbags and different handbags. Are you looking for information on types of handbag shopping recommendation or shopping latest and beautiful ideas. So I hope something else related to handbags and beautiful style trends. Handbags fashion tips. Learn how to pair different handbag styles with outfits to create stylish looks for essentials. If you're looking for a gift, consider gifting a stylish handbag to a loved one. You can also explore personalized or handmade option. Latest and beautiful trends and beautiful ideas for girls and women. So I hope you like it. Crochet handbags. I can help you with crochet pattern. What kind of crochet pattern are you looking for? Please provide more details or specific a particular project you have in mind. Crochet handbags like crocheting handbags can be a fun and creative project. Here's a basic pattern to get you started on a simple crochet handbags, like a waist weight yarn in your chosen color and crochet hook size. Adjust for your yarn button or magic and magnetic snap optional for your handbags and your easily comfort zone. Select for your choice and fold your crochet piece in half so the adhesive rows are on the outside. On one side, join the side together by slip stitching through both the front and back looks and designs.